add the hCAPTCHA in your form fields, first you have to enable the option from the form settings. Then click on Save Changes. Now navigate to the page and edit it with Elementor. Search for the form and drag the widget onto your page. Select the particular field where you want to add the hCAPTCHA, and from the type, select the hCAPTCHA. The field will be added to your page. Now, to use this, we have to enter the API key. Let's access the API key. Navigate to the hCAPTCHA website. Here in the name section, we have to enter the reference site name. Let's enter it. Similarly, in the domain, enter your site name. Now click on Save. Now here you can access the site key, copy it, now go to the settings option and enter the site key. Now to access the secret key, open your profile settings and here click on Generate New Secret. Now copy this and enter and paste it in the secret key tab. Now click on Save Changes. Now let's publish our page and refresh it. As you can see, our hCAPTCHA field has been added. Now let's customize it. You can select the size of this widget according to your requirements. Choose from normal or compact. Similarly, from the style, you can choose the style that fits according to your website design. Now you can prevent unverified form submissions by disabling the submit button until CAPTCHA is completed. In the custom message, you can set a personalized error or guidance message for the CAPTCHA. Now, after satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.